We are at the 210 Hoover Street in Louisville, Colorado. The footage there says 77 or 78 feet, but it's really 100 feet because I'm 20 feet behind on the actual snake. So we're at 100 feet at the city tap. Overall, the pipe is in good shape, but it does have a belly here close to the city tap. I will show you where. So far, overall, we look good up until this point where we go underwater. This is the first belly we see. And you can see we come back up. Yes, sir.
How you doing?
We're doing the record.
Roberto?
I think I've met you before.
Yeah, hey, how's it going, man?
Yeah.
I'll give you guys a couple cards if you need them.
Perfect, thanks.
And yeah, just send the video to Josh.
Okay.
And then call him for payment.
Perfect.
You should have all of his info, right?
I think so. Yeah, I'll double check. It's weird. I feel like I was narrating the video, but overall the shape of the pipe is good. It's a brand new SDR 35, except it has two bellies. Two bellies in the line.
Really?
Yeah.
Are they big?
What's that?
Are they big?
Yeah, that first one, they both of them go underwater. My camera goes underwater, so they're about 2 inches or so.
2 inches?
Yeah.
Oh, real small then.
That first one, yeah, but this second one is a little bigger. I'll show you here.
And then is it PVC?
Yeah, SDR 35.
SDR 35?
Yes.
So they shouldn't have any roots or anything
No,
going
and
there?
then we have the transition from SDR.
Do you have any problems like with that sort of thing?
Nope, not at all.
Give me a break on that. I'm downstairs.
And we are going from the basement.
No, I think
stack.
just give them a quote for what it costs to stuff it out and get it up to a safety standard.
This is already almost coming up.
Yeah, I'm here. Can you hear me?